Can we start? See, all of you able to see my, that is our textbook. That's by page you are able to watching on the page.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, last class we discussed actually even function, odd function. In particular, even function, odd function. Suppose if we have a two intervals, take one interval, test remaining interval, you can go for the examiner. That is what do the problem you can. I said always better you can test for the negative side, positive side you can for the problem you can do. I told now actually change of interval 0 to pi or minus pi to pi, you will get a Fourier series equal to what a naught by a n cos nx plus b n sin nx, and is equal to running from 1 to infinity. Other than pi, suppose 0 to 2l, l may be any number 1 2 3 4 5 like this. So full range period is what 2l like this, or minus l to l, minus l to l means you can write, you can note down if you want, if f of x is defined in 0 comma 2l or minus l comma l. By f of x, how can I write a naught by 2, n is equal to running from 1 to infinity, a n cos n pi x by l speaks lot. Up to now what I am telling, just nx only writing, but here how you write n pi x by l. That is, suppose instead of place l, if you substitute pi means what, pi will cancel nx, the back to pi will, and the whole shape you will get. So other than pi means what, you can remember what n pi x by l. Similarly bn n pi x by l. Correct or not? So a naught, how can you write same story? Suppose my function is defined 0 comma 2l, 1 by l, 0 to 2l f of x. This a n is what, 1 by l, 0 to 2l f of x cos n pi x by l. This will speaks lot actually. This is very very important. Similarly bn, what you will get, sin n x by l. See here with bn sin n x by l means what, we also link with bn sin n x by l, an sin n x. Correct or not? So you can remove. Suppose if it is minus L to L, also same story. What I told, upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, make it reciprocal 1 by L. But this limit is running from where to L? Minus L to L. In case of minus L to L, what you will see? Whether the function even or odd, you can see. Limits also you can see. Function also you can see. That way that you can keep in mind actually. Suppose minus L to L means that you can keep in mind, then do. Suppose if it is neither in or odd, means everything you can do a not a n a. Suppose if it is even means what, you can say bn 0. Odd means what, a not a n 0. Okay or not? So suppose minus L to L, but my Fourier series same only. My Fourier series is f of x equal to a naught by 2 a n cos n by x by l plus b n sin n by x by l only. While writing a n b n, my limit may change. This is running from minus L to L, that is 0 to 2l. F of x cos n by x by l minus L. Correct or not? Okay, all of you understand? Are you able to?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yeah. So many people not submitted actually assignment. I posted. How many of you submitted? I don't know till now. All of you submitted what I mentioned number. All students, EC and computer science. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even function means same story. Suppose if it is function minus a l, f of x even means same story. What already I told you, know, bn 0 2 by l, you can write daily, you can write 0 to l because of formula. Odd means what you write, a not a n is equal to 0, bn only stands. F of x is what, only bn is equal to n is equal to. This is all our story. Thing is what, the limit only changes. Carefully you can do. See, first problem, what problem I done, are you remember or not? Very first problem I done, anyone not to tell? Very first day what problem I done? In Fourier series. Tell me any one of you. First day what problem I done? First problem in Fourier series, expand the Fourier series of what? How
5 minus 6 square.
many of you there, just put in your attendance there actually, 9:28 to 9:30. What problem I done tell? Very first day, first one.
Pi minus x whole square.
In limit is what? 0, 2 pi or not?
Minus pi to pi, sir.
0, 2 pi not explained. One problem as I said, I think so. Minus pi to pi done. Acha, acha. Okay. 0 to 2 pi also one problem. Hence deduced part we done, I think so. 0 to 2 pi, remember or not? 1 by 1 square, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 3 square, so on is equal to pi square by 8 something you got. Remember or not? Hence deduced part. So, same problem. Instead of pi, what I have, you see? Instead of pi, what we are having till L.
L.
This is what 0 to L. Story are not same thing or not. But while doing the Fourier series, you can read carefully. Start the problem, you will do f of x is equal to a naught by 2, an cos n pi x by L. This by L will speak lot. Bn sin n pi x by L. N is running from 1 to infinity. That is very, very important. So because this is called the change of interval. This line will speak actually. Or when you are starting the problem, always you can write this. Then only you will understand what UAN you can write. AN you can link with cos n pi x by 0 to 2L like this. You will understand n pi x. Suppose your nx means what? There also nx will get. Always this line you can start, write and do the problem. Remaining same story. This time skipping 1 by L minus x whole cube by 3. This minus 3. Apply the limit 2 by 3 L square will get. There we got 2 by 3 pi square we got. Similarly, this also. EAN, f of x cos n x 1 by L minus x square cos n x. So L minus x square I am keeping this. Sin cos integration is what? Sin n x by L divided by n pi by L because x coefficient is n pi by L minus. This is I am differentiating 2 into L minus x. This minus x differentiation is minus 1. Then open the bracket. This n pi x by L, n pi by L integration is minus cos n pi by L. Already n pi by L is there, so n square pi square by L square. Plus this if you differentiate, this minus 2 is formula. 2, here 1 minus, here 1 minus, minus minus plus. So this 2 will come. This is what minus cos will get. This with minus you can take, already I told you, don't simplify here. This minus if I take here, minus sin n pi x by L. Already n square pi square by L square is there. I will get n square pi cube L cube. Getting or not? Now apply limit slowly. X is equal to 2L. If you apply means what? LL cancel 2n pi. 2 pi means what? Cos sin n pi 0 waste. Here also is what? Sin x is equal to 2L. If you substitute means what? LL cancel 2n pi 0. This is lower limit also sin 0 0. So this fellow waste. This fellow waste. This fellow alone stands. Correct or not? Okay. All of you okay?
Yes, sir.
So, yes. Any doubt?
No,
Ask
sir.
me. Okay. So, this fellow alone stands. What I told you while doing the problem with the pencil, you can strike this like this is equal to 0. I can write. Strike with the pencil. Don't strike very deeply. With the pencil, light stroke. You can strike is equal to 0. I can write. So, this fellow alone stands. If I have this also n square pi square by n square, if I take n square by n square, apply the limit. Then this is what L x is equal to 2L. If you apply means what? LL cancel 2N by cos even pi is what? 1. Cos 0 is what? 1. Already minus is there. This thing you will get. Similarly, Bn fellow. Bn fellow 0, I think so. Already we done. Substituted, this is what sin is what minus cos and x. This is differentiation. This is again minus. This minus again sin is minus will come minus minus plus here. So this everything collapsed. I hope this is 0 already we done. Correct or not? Then go back and substitute it. This is the Fourier series. Now hence reduce means what? Which 0 to 2L means already I told you. F of in question you can substitute f of 0, f of 2L. Then in answer you can substitute either 0 or 2L. Same thing we done actually, whether you remember or not, I don't know. Same problem we done. Pi square by 6. Yeah. This problem you can see, obtain the Fourier series represent x square. My limit is running from where to where?
Minus L to L.
Function is minus L to L means what I said. You can concentrate on function I said or not. So minus pi to pi r minus L to L minus 2 to 2 minus 3 to 3 minus 4 to 4 minus 5 to 5 means what? You can concentrate. Here all limits also happy, function also happy or not. Immediately what you will say, this given function is what?
Even
Even
function.
function Bn is equal to 0.
Very good. So f of x is even function, Bn is equal to 0. Then what you will do? But f of x you can write. First that line you can write our Fourier series f of x equal to a naught by 2. N is equal to 1 to infinity, running from 1 to infinity, an cos n pi x by L. This will slot. Correct or not? Right? Everything story. This x square also already minus this x square and x is very, very important. This you can do remaining. I'm skipping, okay, can you able to do or not? Or you want explanation? Hello? Nobody is there, I think so. Anyone is there alive?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm skipping actually if
Right,
you
sir.
want, because everything you know.
Nice, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine. Sir.
Nice. Because this integration, if you do n pi x by L divided by n pi L, this you can take. Do already these notes with you know. Without seeing notes, open the notes, try yourself. If you have any struck that test there, you can see solution. Don't see the solution. Try, you will get the answer. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
This also we can see. F of x plus 2 means what? 2 periodic function 2. But is running from what? Minus 1 to L. Means what? Minus L to L. I cannot say this is even and odd. So, minus L to L or 0 to 2L also I will get n pi x by L. Who is here actually? L is equal to what here?
1.
1. So, there what I will get f of x an cos n pi x by L. Who is L here? 1. So what will get n pi x you will get. Getting or not? Any doubt? Minus L to L also, 0 to 2L also. See, one thing you can remember, by starting the problem, how you will start 1 by L or 2 by L, you can get cos n pi x by L. That you can remember and keep in mind. But first term you write in a 1 by L or 2 by L. Down what is that you can write. So here what will get n pi x by 1 you will get. Reaching or not? The
Yes,
function is, this is very, very, instead of L I am writing 1. Don't confuse. This is not neither even nor function because breaking interval, 2 intervals are there. So 2 I have to do. First integral anyway vanish. Second integral I will do 0 to 1. First integral is waste. Second integral stands. I will do. But while doing the AN you can do cos n pi x by L. Getting or not? So first integral waste. Second integral running from where to where? 0 to 1. 1. 1 cos n pi x by L. Cos n pi x by L integration what tell? What is coming? Cos n pi x by L integration
Sin n pi x by n
divided by
pi.
who will come?
N pi.
N pi by L here actually L is not there.
It is 1, sir.
Yeah, n pi x by n pi. But you can keep in mind, you can always tell L like this. While writing L place is 1 you can write because other problem you don't forget. Getting or not? Tell
Yes.
me, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Only 2 people only live, Shruti and another 1 boy. Remaining all are not there. Say shoutly all of you yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Only one
yes,
boy.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, this is not.
Yes, sir.
AN. See, AN always 0. By doing the N 0, so similarly you can do BN. So how to fix the L also you can remember. It's very, very important. See, here my limit is running from where to where, you see? From where to where?
Minus 2 to 2.
So L is equal to minus 2 actually, minus L to plus L like this. So what you will get? N pi x by what you will get?
2.
Minus 2.
Very good, n pi x by 2. Correct or not? So this also you can write actually even not you can write, but true because function is here vanish, we can't do actually, but he's doing I think so. Cannot actually. You cannot say because full function means I can say even and half of because 4 breaking the functions are there. But looking this you feel function even, but don't do. My total limit running from where to where? minus 2 to 2. Anyway, full limits, but this will speak slot n pi pi x by L, 0 to 2L or minus L to L, always n pi x. So this is already upper limit minus lower limit, 1 by L you will get minus 2 to 2. You can do 1 plus x integration is what 1 plus x square by 2. 1 minus x whole square integration is what 1 minus x whole square by 2. Because of this minus 1, I will write minus 1. Apply the limits a naught. Then similarly, an you can do. An, this is waste, first this last waste, these two only stands. Then we get integration. Bn also similarly you can do. Bn 0 you got anyway. First. This is what mod x my running with limit running from where to where? From where to where?
Minus L to L.
So even odd. Even function, odd function.
Even.
Even function.
So for your state, what you will do immediately?
Bn is equal to 0.
Very good. F of x equal to a naught by 2 an cos n pi x by L. While doing the problem, what you will write a naught is equal to 2 by L, 0 to L, x you can do. That is very, very important. 2 by law of integration if you take enough, because even odd means what? Odd side, how much value I am getting? The same value I will get even side also. That's why 2 I am writing twice of this. So that is that. While doing the board, I will explain. Don't worry. This is minus 2 to 2 means what? N pi x by 2. The thing is what? Seeing this, you can understand whether I want to write n pi x by 2 or n pi by x 3. Like this, you can remember. These problems, you can check that is enough. What I am doing, that problems you can see. These all are not required. This also we done L by x 0 to L, 0 to 2L. Means what? This is equality. If that L is equal to equality, so you can write last for finding something 2N plus 1 whole square means what you understand in L? N is equal to 0 to infinity given, but our solution is what? Can you able to tell our same problem we done? 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square, odd number actually. N is equal to 0 means what? 1. N is equal to 2. 1 means what? 3. 1, 3, 5. Instead of telling odd is confusing 2n plus 1. 2n means even. So this you can do. 1 by L you will get 0 to 2L my running. N by x by L you will get. Okay, sir. Am I going fast? All of you okay?
Yes, sir.
Hey, tell me if anyone feels miss, immediately can tell me actually. Sir, stop like this. These problems you can do. This was a important question. Just you can check. Same story. 0 to 2L. Here 2L is equal to 0 to 2 means what? L is equal to what? 1 actually. 2L means L is equal to 1. This similarly f of x plus 2. This is L is 2 here. This is L is 2 here. Everyone that taken these notes, you know, everyone with your notes is there or not the same notes?
Yes, sir.
At least you can glance, you can go through whether you all problems if you are not able to do also all examples you know. Open the textbook and step by step you can check whether understanding it. Don't go very fastly. Try. See, here 0 to 3 means what is the meaning actually? 0 to L actually. This I will tell you off range. I don't want to confuse now. No, I don't confuse. Next. We discuss actually off range expansions. Now up to now we full range we expand. Full range means how I am taking 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2L. One circulation actually 0 to 2 pi. Off range means what they may tell actually 0 to pi only or minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That is also off range, only off rotation. But off range means what? 99% they will mention, you don't worry. Off range of cosine series, off range of sine series, Half range of cosine series means what? You will get A naught and AN only. Half range sine series means what? BN. Like this, you don't tell, but even not means I am telling even not means I am telling this is half range. No, but obviously that below becomes 0. Half range means what the people will mention. You don't worry. Then what you will do if they ask half range sine means what? You can find BN alone. If you want, you can write down notes. Half range sine series means BN alone come, but you don't tell again and again. I am telling A naught AN is equal to 0. All of you okay? This video links actually, this class video links also one playlist is I created in channel that I am doing actually there. I am adding one date I am putting it. That's if you want after that you can see these classes actually. What I am taking in Gmeet also and available videos. Similarly, all of you okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If they
Yes,
mention
sir.
half range sign means what you will do? Tell me.
Bn is equal to 0.
You can find, but don't write A naught is equal to 0. If they ask half range cosine series means what you will find? A naught, AN alone. Okay or not? Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But even not, you can mention 0 because even not. Then also you're writing 2 by L. No, your half range means what? 0 to pi by means what? 2 by pi. Already I told you when I start the problem, upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2 make it reciprocal. My function defines 0 to pi means what you will get 2 by pi or 1 by pi. Upper limit minus lower limit means what? Pi minus 0 divided by 2 make it reciprocal means what? 2 by pi. Obviously half range is 2 by pi only you will get. That's why you don't see whether half range or full range. Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2 make it reciprocal. Half range cosine series means who will come? A naught and AN. Suppose 0 to L means what? 2 by L. N 0 to L or minus L to L or 0 to L minus L to L, 0 to 2L also here 10 pi x by L only. You don't confuse. Because full range is what? Minus L to L. That's why 10 pi x by L I am taking. Here what you let 2 by L. Here 2 will speak lot because half range means already if you forget also what you told. Upper limit minus lower limit L minus 0 divided by 2 L by 2 make it reciprocal, you will get 2 by L. Correct? You don't worry about half range or full range. If they mention half range cosine means what? Find A naught AN. How you will fix already? I told you upper limit minus lower limit. Don't worry, but don't write their B and G. That's only a humble request. Half range sine series what you will get? Bn alone stands 2 by L Bn. So half range 0 to pi means same story. N pi means nx I told already. L means n pi x by L. 2 by pi this fx cos. These all you can write. No notes actually. Note down this. Very important. Already in one playlist, one video I given this all hints I think so. This is very important. Kx into x minus L or L minus x. I will do again so many places. Obtain the half range sine series function f of x equal to kx into x minus L and 0 to L. Everywhere confusion. So what is telling? E is mentioned or not? What is asking? Half range? What? Half range what?
Sine series.
Sine series.
He is mentioning with his mouth half range. So you don't worry about A naught AN. If we mention half range cosine series means what? You can find A naught AN. So my f of x is equal to what? Bn 0 to pi L, 0 to L, 0 to L. So n pi x by L. You don't mention about anything in A naught AN about A naught AN. Then start books. Very important question. 2 by L f of x sine because he is half range, full range. They will mention. You don't worry where I have to do half range, where I have to do cos of a full range like this. Otherwise, obviously it's full range only. K into x minus L sine n x. Well, this you can take in this x also inside. Then I am doing integration. Kx by klx I am keeping here minus cos n pi x by n pi L. Then minus cos integration if I do minus sin n pi x by L by n square pi square. Then this fellow if I differentiate 2kx minus kl plus this if I differentiate again 2k. If I integrate this sign is what again minus will get minus sign means minus already here one minus is there minus plus cos n pi x by n cube. Now apply the limits. If I apply here L is equal to x is equal to L means what? N pi. Base. 0 means what? Base. If I apply here, x is equal to L means what? KL square, KL square waste. If I apply x is equal to 0 means what? This 0. So because of this first term, L and 0, this become vanished. This whole term waste. This whole term waste. Now which term will stand? This last term alone will stand. Apply the limit 2k. Upper limit if you apply means what? Cos n pi. LL cancel, cos n pi by n cube. Cos 0 is 1. Cos n pi is what is the value? Cos n pi value is what?
Power n.
Minus 1 power n.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 to the power n.
Very good. After substituting, I got you see this n cube, pi cube, l cube. I am reversely making reciprocal. So what you will get 2k l cube divided by n cube pi cube. Then cos n pi x you can write actually. Maybe another 2 any 2 is there. 4. Acha. Outside one 2 by pi l is there, no? This 2 by l 2l. Then l cube l cancel l square. This is now this already minus 1 for means what n is equal to even, n is equal to odd. Always you are familiar. So n is equal to even means the term vanish, n odd only stands. This is very important this question. This question maybe 3-4 times will come. This long question solve again. This is the answer. So this is it. Got it or not? 2n by l cube got. Actually, if you want to convert f of 0 f of 2 with series also we get. Obtain the sine series. Same story. My series running from where to L? 0 to L. So first you will get 2 by L, n by L. Sine series means what? This problem also very important. This also you can remember. This is in the fourth unit, you will get third unit, next unit, this is second unit, third unit application of PD you will get. Okay, this also can. Yes? Any problem? Hello?
No, sir.
But somebody doing some mimicry?
Oh, sir.
Okay. Now we can, this problem very important. First you can do x part, then L minus x you can do. Very important question. If you do x part is what, sine means what, minus cos n x by n minus L. X differentiation is 1, formula minus 1, then open the bracket. Again if you integrate means what, minus sine n x by n pi x. This limit is running from 0 to L by 2, first term. Second term is L by 2 to L. L minus x you can keep as is. Sine is what, minus cos n x by n by L plus this L, no, not plus, why it's plus actually, no, this minus L minus x differentiation minus 1 minus this. Don't simplify actually, it's very dangerous because next the step is not there, is simplifying. Don't simplify. Minus of 1 you can write. This minus is what, minus sin n plus 1. Apply the limit. If you apply the limits, what you will get actually here, lower limit vanish. Here if you apply means what, sin n pi by 2 you will get. Here is what, here lower limit vanish. Upper limit only stands. Here is what, upper limits vanish. Lower limit stands. If you are after doing everything, this 2 times you will get 4 by L n square pi square. This is very important. While doing the problem, you will enjoy actually. This like the system is cannot open the pen and do. This problem you will get in there another time I will tell you. It's also changing 0 to pi by 2 to pi. This problem you can check. All are operations. See, 0 to pi means what you will get? Pn sin nx you will get. L means n pi x by L. Pi means n pi x nx. That you can remember. If you see with your I means what? Pi means just nx. L means what? N pi x by L. That you don't confuse. That's very important. Sin nx. The people write what is the L, what is the pi, they will confuse. What you want? Who is making disturbance? Ayush, what do you want? Ayush, mute your mic. Ayush, not Ilya. Why are you making noise? If you don't want, you can leave class, sir, actually. At least remaining people is attending, you know. This problem also I can do 0 to pi. So up to now we seen only what? Half range sine series. Similarly, cosine series means what you will do? Cosine means what you will do? It's also very important. X into pi minus 0 to pi. 0 to pi means you can write nx. Actually, maximum sine series only very important because it behaves everything in the form of sine only. Even EC students also they will do it while doing the problem or research only. The sine series only they will concentrate. Waves, it's cosine also nothing but sine series only. It start with the 0. This 0 means what? At 1 it will start. After one stage, both are same only. They both are called sinusoidal only. Cos and sine both are same only. That's why this Fourier series, what sinusoidal series they will tell. Cos and cosine combination. Its starting point of it means what? If it is at start, 1 means what? It become cosine series. At 0 means what? Sine series. These problems you can try. These all are sine series only. What I explained that problems you can see enough. Remaining if you want more problems you can see. There is no restriction. Then with cosine series also same story. Started. Half range cosine series is here. Half range cosine 0 to pi. Cosine means who will come, sir?
A naught and N.
A naught an. Remaining is what? Don't say 0. Remaining you are not able to find it. Correct or not? So here what you will do? 0 to pi means what? You can write 2 by pi. 0 to pi a naught x a f of x dx a naught value. A in value I will let 2 by pi f of x cos nx dx. Then you can do. Cosine is a naught a in value. Don't say bn is equal to 0 for even not only can tell barely. You don't tell here what is bn. It's very important. Again and again I'm telling. It is also same story x. This problem also same cosine. There we done as pi. Pi means nx will get it. L means n pi x well. That we can keep in mind enough. Remaining already same repeatedly same problem we do. Cos x. These all are not required. That is enough. X sin x. X sin x problems are written very important 0 to pi. What series is asking? Sine series. Sine series is bn sin x only. This x sin x already I done. Only bn part we can do, then discuss. These all are not required. Just if you want, you can see. Just what I'm explaining that problem is cosine series that it's not important, but the answers you can see because MCQ means what suddenly they may ask MCQ. Yes, this you can just try. Complex is not there in your syllabus. Don't worry, I'm not taking. It's 2 minutes. I will take break and I will come back. Okay or not? Huh? 10 o'clock you can come all up. 10:05 you can come at least. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. This pass side also you can remember. Proof not required. This formula I can remember. Yeah, this proof not required. You want you can down, no down. Suppose even and odd means what 2 by L, A naught square, A n square you will get. Even means odd means only Bn. That is function is. It's also the same story. Yes. Pi to the power of 4. We already first friend has entered. So his powers 4 means always understand is go for the past identities. See from this part you understand 0 to L, x is equal to is asking first this part 1 by 2 minus 4 by L, pi square cos pi x by L. This is what from this what you understand. See x is question, answer is what is there? Tell me any one of you. What you understand?
Function is even. Function is even.
Function?
Is even.
No, not getting. Function is 0.
Even.
Hey, even now.
Sir, Bn is 0.
But my limit is running from where to where? See?
Oh, yeah. 0 to
Cosine series, sir.
Very good, excellent. So, seeing this, what you understand, question is x is given us in answer in your hand. He is telling, prove that this x is equal to average cosine series of this fellow. Hence, deduce means what? Power 4 means you can think for the past line. You will get 2 by L, 0 to L, I will let A naught square by 2, A n square I will let, that is different story. Correct or not? Now, from this, what you understand, who is L by 2? A naught by 2. A n what you got actually? Minus 4L by pi square into n square. N is running is what? 1, 3, 5, 7 like this. Correct or not? So, can keep in mind actually. If they ask the question, this question what you have to prove that A naught is equal to L. A naught by 2 is equal to L by 2. A n you have to find out. After that first part prove like this you can write. Sometimes for you 1 mark questions they are asking, no, this is equal to this, please prove that pi square by 2 means what answer is given. You can check left limit equal to right limit and that substitute that value can substitute. 1 mark questions means what? This big question means what? This answer also give you how to prove. Hence deduce means what? Still continue this problem. Correct or not? So this problem you have to do A not A n. Because is given actually this is wrong. You don't do, you have to do A naught, this I will do on video, don't worry. A naught you have to do, A n you have to do, this is valid only odd, these are all values you have to tell. Then you can by corollary, you can use this 2 by L, A naught square by A n square because the average sine series is getting. Are you okay? Any doubt? Hello?
So can you please explain corollary again?
Yes, because see, actually question is asking is prove that is asking. What is telling actually seeing the answer A naught is equal to L is telling. A n is equal to what is doing for understanding that fashion minus 4L by n square pi square is telling. But thing is what? While doing the exam, you don't do, I am telling. A naught you have to find out. What is my A naught formula tell here? What is my A naught formula average sine series? Forgotten everyone. What is my
So
n
2 by L integration of 0 to L fx.
fx dx? Who is my f of x here? X. Correct or not? X square by 2. If you apply the limit means what? Obviously L 2 will cancel. This only L will stand. A naught. A n formula is what? A n formula is what in cosine series? Offering cosine series 2 by L. Limit is running from 0 to L. F of x. Who will come? Cos
n by x by L.
It's already previously for x half range cosine we done actually. This only we got minus that you can see in example some previous 2-3 example before we done for minus 4 by n square. But anyway you have to do. Correct or not? For clarification you can see. After finding A naught A n you can come to this point. Doubt clear sir? Somebody asked actually okay yeah.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So you don't write directly answer. This is I'm telling. Suppose, okay, in the MCQ means what we know that we're taking granted, you can come here at this point. A naught square by 2 a n square, you can prove that list. Sometimes that they don't give answer, pi power 4 by 96, you can remember. Find a naught square by 2, a n square by 2, you can do. Then this is partial identity while doing this, what this is a n square by 2. This is also what f of x whole square, that you can remember. Who is my f of x? X square, integrate, both sides you can equate. F of x whole square is equal to, formula you can see, f of x whole square is equal to, f of x means x square. F of x is x square means what? X power 4. It's very, 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 very important question. You have to go home, this you are doing actually. First part prove. See, this problem you see, Fourier series f of x square is equal to minus pi comma pi. Minus pi comma pi means what you told immediately, what you will think. See the function behavior. Your function is what?
Even function will see.
Even function. Then what you will write immediately?
Bn is equal to 0.
Bn is equal to 0, a naught, a n you get. But here my limit is running from where to where? Pi.
Minus pi to pi.
Pi. So what you will get? My f of x, a naught by 2, a n. Who will come? A n who will come? Cos n x, yeah.
Cos n x.
Bn 0, that's why pi also there means cos n x. Previous problem also cosine series a naught, a n we find out there. We are not telling Bn is equal to 0. You can be able to tell here Bn is equal to 0. Correct or not? It's already x square.
Yes,
here x square we done. Similarly, the previous x square 1 by 1 easily show. It's directly went easy. But already previous problems x square we done minus pi to pi. Same thing that a naught is equal to what? 2 pi square by 3 means pi square by 3. This check already. Last day we done even odd function minus this. Once if you do means what, then what you will do? 2 by L Fourier series. It's very, very important question. This you can substitute and simplify. X square whole square. Both sides you can simplify. This I will do, don't worry, on board I will do. Time we can do, but a not a n you can see. Very, very, very important questions. These two problems enough in Fourier. That is what? Partial identity. These all are not required. If you want extra, you can see this problem. That two will speak a lot, I hope. These are not required. If you want, you can see. This is another important topic, harmonic analysis. In Fourier series, guarantee one question from the up to now before partial identity, one full question will come. From this partial identity in harmonic analysis, guarantee one question. Correct or not? This is what a numerical sum actually. This is not a continuous integral between discrete interval is what you can go for the harmonic analysis. It's very, very important. Getting or not? So today what you are doing for partial identity x problem you are solving, then x square you are solving. Can you continue? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Heavy dose today, okay or not? Understanding or not, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct, okay or not? This is you only requested this method we are adopted. You all are happy, means I am also happy. Can I continue harmonic? At least we okay. One thing I will do. This problem you can sit into now harmonic next class also I will do. For x square you can solve and show me today. All of you in classwork you can x and x square you can submit me this. Can you able to submit or not today? Tonight.
Yes, sir.
ஒரு 10:40 அப்புறம் வாங்க, கிளாஸ் இருக்கா? This may ask actually one question. Harmonic analysis. Define the harmonic means what? The process of finding the Fourier series of function given by numerical values known as a harmonic analysis. So this how you will find actually. You find A naught, A n, B n. A naught value is what? 2 into mean values of y. They will give x values, then y values. X is equal to 0, 3 pi by 2, then 4 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 6 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 8 pi by 2, like this they will do. Then y value will be. A n is equal to 2 into mean values of y cos x. A cos nx. A1 what you mean values means what you understand? Mean values means what?
Sigma, sir.
Sigma. That is another mean mathematically what you do. Just sigma, then anything will get.
So sigma by n.
Sigma by n means what is the meaning that is? Average. Mean and average both are same. Okay, it's different words. But you have to calculate required, sir. Next class, anyone having calculator now? All of you with you? Yes. In home only, no. Open the calculator and sit with me. All of you bring back calculator. Go past and take your calculators. Again, you can write A naught by 2 same thing story. Take calculators, all of you with you. Yes, it's very, very, very important question. All of you got calculators with you. So your calculator,
Yes, sir.
always your calculator you can keep it in radian mode, not degree mode. Change your mode also. But you can keep in radians. See, they will do your x is running from what 0 to 2 pi. Y values you can see. Y values you can read any one of you. Read, sir. Y values any one of you read. Y values read, sir.
So 1, 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5, 1.2, and 1.
Okay. What you understand? X is equal to 0. What is my y value?
1, sir.
1.
X is equal to 2 pi. What is my y value?
1.
So, what is the meaning? I am starting at 0. Full rounding is what 2 pi. Again, I am coming at 2 pi means what nothing but 0 only. So, first values, last value same is what you can go with one value. Getting or not? Any doubt, sir? Same fellow I am touching. I am starting at 0, sir. And one revolution doing like this. 90 degrees, 95, 96, 97. Then again, 180 means what I am reaching 0 or not? So sine 0 is what? Sine 0 is what?
0.
Sine 180. Sine 2 pi is what?
0.
Because same only. At 0 only I am nothing but 2 pi I am telling it, circling one round. So here is beautiful of this problem is what? This fellow and this fellow same. Any one fellow I will leave. But before that you can take big table, very big table. See, up to third harmonic means what? You have to find y cos x, y cos 2x, y cos 3x, y sin x, y sin x. They will do problem. How many harmonics they will ask? 1, 2 harmonics, 3 harmonics, like this, you see. Find the series up to what is given question, you see. Up to read any one of you. Series up to what?
Third harmonic.
So you have to find A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 and A0. AN formula what I am telling? Mean values of y cos nx. A1 means what? Y cos 1x. A2 means what? Y cos 2x. N will 1, 2, 3 I am substituting. Correct or not? So third harmonic means you have to find A1, A2, A3. this big table, how to forms are, wait, I will come. Maybe these values. See, here x value, because you can write in change the node this type portrait position, x values you can write 0 to y values. You see, last value am I taken or not? You see, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 pi, I am writing or not? But every student they will write 2 pi is equal to 1, they will answer right 9.7, the whole thing will be collapse. Whole thing will be collapse in a class like that. Form 60. Huh? Form 60. Pen green ink. Sir, x is equal to 2 pi, am I taken? Tell me.
No, sir.
Because why?
So it's the same as 0.
But how many intervals are there? Interval means you know, because with 2 post stands means what? 1 interval. How many intervals are there total in question?
5.
Hey, 5. Count question you can see and tell me.
It's 6.
That can keep in mind, because though one I am not taking, but intervals you can keep in mind. Wait, I will come. In the remove பண்ணாங்களா பாபுஜி? இதென்ன? Date என்ன? Okay, see, but 6 interval means what? Always the to find average, that number you can use. So y value is what? This. Then sigma y you can find. Cos x means what? You can write cos 0, cos pi by 3. Now only you can check in our calculator the same values are getting on it. Simultaneously you can see, do with me. Then sin x means what? These values you will get. But put in radians. Once if you substitute means what? That you can cursor you can go back and you can substitute it. You can write actually like this 1 pi by 3 can write while finding 1 you can change 2. Then you can write 3 by 3 you can do. Then it better otherwise, yes, 3 you can write. Then 4 you can change, 5 you can change. Automatically these values will get. One time if you exist in calculator, automatically values will get. But not only this beauty, always these values are repeatedly you will get. Once if you note 3-4 times you will understand. Again you can find wait. Similarly, what you will do? I want y1, y2, y3 means what? Cos x. But better in do in our notes. Cos x, cos 2x value you can find out. Then cos 3x value. Similarly, sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x become vanish actually. Waste everything become zero. Table is carefully you can do, sir. You have to do sin 3x x values. Then y cos x you can find. Y value already know. Y into cos x you can multiply. Sigma yx you can find. This is only important. Similarly, what you will do? Y sin x. Maybe this is wrong actually. Multiplying this value you can find. This value is y sin x. Similarly, you can find y sin 2x, y cos 3x, y sin 3x vanish. After that, what you will do? A naught is equal to what is formula? 2 into sigma y. What is sigma y? 8.7. This is the Fourier series. Then values you can find out. A naught is equal to what? 2 by 6. 8 by 7, 2.9. A1 is what? Mean values of y cos x. Y cos x value what is there? You can substitute it. 0.37. A2 is equal to what? Y cos 2x. Then substitute it. It's very important. Guarantee question. Maybe this question also will come. 0 to 2. This. B2, B3. Then write how you will write finally A0 by 2, A1 cos x, B1 sin x, A2 cos x, A3. This A1, P1 values, A2, B2, A3, B3 values substituted. This is the value. Then okay, yeah, am I going fast?
No, sir.
Hello? Huh? Yes?
No, sir.
Are you able to follow me or not?
Yes, sir.
Am I confusing lot?
No, sir.
Okay. Only one boy only telling you are very bad. This problem also very important compulsory question. This is already in the previous class. I will go assignments. So many assignments. I will go each unit 20-30 problems. Same. This is easy. Here is x is giving t by 6, t by 3, t by 2. Then this. But is time this from this what you understand? Cos theta, sin theta means what? How many harmonics you got?
1.
How many harmonics you got? 2 harmonics. Hey, 2 harmonics. Huh? 1 theta means what? 2 harmonics. Huh?
So one harmonic.
Very good. A1 and B1 only got. From this answer, what you understand is finding only one harmonic. Theta is equal to what? 2 pi x by t or not?
Yes, sir.
So, you can substitute it actually. Is theta is asking. Theta is equal to 2 pi x by t. Now, x is equal to 0 means my theta is what? Let's substitute x equal to 0. What is my theta?
0.
0.
T by 6, if I substituted, what I will get? T cancel 2 pi by 6 I will get or not?
Yes.
T by 3. So this is very important question. Here also n is equal to 6 only. 6 values. But 7 means what? Intervals actually repeated. 6 only can take. Don't take 7. Even values only always come. So this fellow you can change this. You can do. This problem also very important. These two problem, one problem compulsory, sir. The cos theta, sin theta, y cos theta, y sin theta. And values. 2y into sigma y by 6 b1. The same thing. This compulsory question. Okay or not? Any problem? So I'm stopping here. I think so is today is heavy dose. Okay or not? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, what we done this 1 hour is not a joke actually. This maybe it will take, if you sit and do means what, it will take nearly 3-4 hours. Anyway, I will do videos. Before that also, concentrately can do, sit and do. Whether if you have a time or not, I don't know, for seeing videos if people are very busy. But time being now, today itself, at least every change the interval one problem. Then cosine change, sine change, something I explaining one problem. Then half range cosine, half range even one problem you can do at least. Getting or not? Then this harmonic series, these two you can do. Similarly, you can remember pi power 4 by 96, pi power 4 by 90 is very important. That two fellows have another two fellows you will get 3 pi by 16 and pi by 15 I will tell you. This pi to the power 4 by 96, pi to the power 4 by 90, that two problems fully you can do. Today your work is that is when you are free. I don't know, maybe after classes or tonight night also 10 to 12 you will do 10 to 1 I don't know. But sit and do seriously yourself, not myself. Then only you will understand where you stand actually. Seeing like a history, you cannot, this is the maths actually. I hope I'm stopping here. Okay or not today? Maybe it does, I think so. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
stop
sir. Very
here?
heavy.
Because today is very heavy, I know. So I started actually 15 minutes late. Lot of things we discussed. Go home and humble request is what do. Tomorrow at least you can first 10 minutes you have to ask me doubts. Then I will start next. Correct or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
bye.
sir.
I think record will goes to somebody that you can send me actually. Correct or not? You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.